Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to this week summary. So this week I published a few videos. So the first one was a stream that happened on July 1st and it was about learning. So we created a smaller project, Blazor WebAssembly, to learn how to get authenticated using Azure Active Directory and then using a token an Azure Active Directory token to authenticate it in an Azure function. And it was running pretty well, so we were following an article from Jeremy Lickness. And following that, we understood a lot of things, so it was very, very interesting. So I'm looking forward, next week I will be publishing the follow of this series where we're trying to apply that in our tiny Blazor admin website. Another stream that I published this week was a stream that happened on July the 3rd, and it was my CloudBot project. So I was trying to save the highest score from the user when they are playing. So CloudBot is a Twitch chat bot created using Config.js. Config.js is a framework created by Instafluff, and it's very, very easy to create a bot with it. So in this bot, what I do right now is I'm saving high score of user. They play a little game when I'm streaming and I'm keeping high score. And I was also trying to display the statistics when they play. So try to show them, hey, you know, like you did this, they could ask the best score. Very cool and chill stream on that Friday. Another project also that was published this week is the episode 3 of Demystify ARM template on channel 9, the Azure DevOps Lab show. Pretty cool with Abel. We talked about parameters. So this is a long series of a video that we did, and this week was episode 3. So really fun, really light, very snappy kind of thing. If you want to learn quickly ARM templates, it's a video that worth your time. These days, I'm also doing a lot of live streaming on the Twitch channel Microsoft Developer, where I receive different guests, so other cloud advocate, and with my team we're working really hard to make those videos available on YouTube. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this will happen next week. I think we are, and we have like a little blog post and everything, so looking forward to share with you more about this awesome project. I've been working on a lot of different projects too, but we will need to wait for next week. If you're interested, have a look. All the links are in the description. Thank you.